Ford is doubling down on self-driving cars. The automaker has plans to sell a fully autonomous vehicle in just 5 years. But will that move ease concerns that Ford was losing the race to build the car of the future? Phil LeBeau has our story.
Ford is steering toward a future where increasingly it's the vehicles, not the people behind the wheel, that will actually do the steering. In fact, the automaker now expects to build a self-driving vehicle by 2021. Ford won't say exactly what the vehicle will look like, but it won't have a steering wheel or pedals. And Ford says it will be a commercial model being driven by rideshare companies. It's part of CEO Mark Field's push to transform the automaker into a mobility company, driven by technology and new ways to look at cars and trucks.
We view the next decade as really being defined by the automation of the vehicle. So our view is autonomous vehicles could have just as much significant impact on society as Ford's moving assembly line did 100 years ago.
But unlike 100 years ago, when Henry Ford moved faster than the rest of the auto industry, Ford finds itself fighting the perception that other companies like Tesla and Google are the ones leading the push for self-driving cars. Field says that impression is wrong.
We've taken our time to talk about our autonomous vehicle plans because we're not in a race to make announcements, but we are in a race to do the right thing for our customers and our business.
That could include Ford getting into ride-sharing, an industry dominated in the U.S. by Uber and Lyft. Ford is running a rideshare pilot program in England, and its expanded R&D center in Palo Alto is looking at other technologies transforming how we get around. In fact, Ford has announced new investments or partnerships with 4 companies that specialize in technology for self-driving vehicles. Ford CEO Mark Fields is adamant the company will be ready when drivers eventually take their hands off the wheel. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Phil LeBeau in Chicago.